Now that we know how to make a slip knot, we can now learn how to create a chain. Chains are the fundamental building blocks of any crochet project. We will first watch a demonstration of how a chain is created, and then we will break it down and create a chain together. As you can see, you will put your slip knot onto your crochet hook. Next, you will yarn over by wrapping the working yarn over the hook from back to front, then pull the yarn through the slip knot. You will continue this process until you have made the desired amount of chains.
Hey again! I see you have mastered the slip knot and are ready to make chains. How exciting! Don't forget to be patient with yourself as you learn to make chains.
Thank you for the encouragement, Charlie. Now let's make a chain together. First, we will start by making a slip knot. In case you need a reminder, I am going to show you how to make one. Next, we will take our crochet hook and put it through the slip knot. Make sure to use the tail to tighten it onto the hook. It doesn't need to be too tight, just snug enough it can still glide across the hook. Holding the working yarn in your non-dominant hand, use the hook in your dominant hand to hook the working yarn behind it and pull it through the slip knot. We will continue to do this over and over. Let's pause for a moment and count how many chains we can currently see between my fingers. To count chains, you want to look for the V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. We can currently see 7 chains between my fingers. And there you have it. You now know how to create chains and count them.
Hey guys! Great job making your first chain. Practice making chains until you feel comfortable. Remember, you don't want your chains to be too tight or too loose. Keep them the size where they are snug and glide off the hook as you make them. This creates the perfect tension.
Don't forget about your stitch guide. It has a section on how to count chains. Make sure to reference this whenever you could use a refresher. As you are practicing, don't forget to take a moment to check your work. Use the rubric provided in the assignment to evaluate your progress and determine if you're ready to move on to the next section. When you are ready, we will see you in the next section.